Hello everyone, recipe for making Kokum Sharbat. Kokum Sharbat is a refreshing and tangy beverage made from kokum, a fruit native to the Indian subcontinent. Here's a simple recipe for making Kokum Sharbat. Ingredients: 1 cup dried kokum petals, 1.5 cups sugar, adjust according to taste, 4 to 5 cups water, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon black salt, ice cubes optional, mint leaves for garnish optional. Instructions. Number 1. Soak kokum. Rinse the dried kokum petals under running water. In a bowl, soak the kokum petals in 1 cup of warm water for about 1 to 2 hours. This will help release the flavor and color. Number 2. Prepare kokum concentrate. After soaking, mash the kokum petals with your hands or a spoon to extract the pulp. Strain the mixture using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to separate the liquid from the pulp. Set aside the kokum concentrate. Number 3. Prepare sugar syrup. In a saucepan, combine 1.5 cups of sugar with 3 to 4 cups of water. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until the sugar dissolves completely. Let the sugar syrup cool to room temperature. Number 4. Mix kokum concentrate and sugar syrup. Add the kokum concentrate to the sugar syrup and mix well. Adjust the sweetness according to your preference by adding more sugar if needed. Number 5. Season and chill. Add roasted cumin powder and black salt to the kokum mixture. Adjust the seasoning according to your taste. Stir well and refrigerate the kokum sharbat for at least 1 to 2 hours to chill. Number 6. Serve. Once chilled, serve the kokum sharbat over ice cubes if desired. Garnish with mint leaves for a fresh and aromatic touch. Enjoy your homemade kokum sharbat. This delightful beverage is not only refreshing but also known for its digestive properties. Thank you.